The law of attraction is an art that's inside you, that's inside me, and everyone's inside. But we are unaware of it. In reality, we become what we think. But how? Have you ever wondered why we fail in our work? Why we do not get success in our work? Why are we sad all the time? Let us understand this through a short story. By the end of this story, you will come to know how Buddha has explained this aspect of life. Once upon a time, there lived a man who was disappointed with his life. Nothing was happening in his favor. Success was far away from him. Whatever work he chose, he did not get success. That's why his family members were also unhappy. He needed a mantra that could get rid of all his problems and bring peace to his house. He took mantras from many scholars and intellectuals and applied in his life, but nothing worked. He later heard of a guru who is known to help others get rid of their problems. He thought that he should meet the guru and get a mantra from him so that he can get rid of all his problems. While searching for the guru, he reached a forest and there he saw the guru in his ashram. He told the guru that he was suffering a lot in his life and he needed a mantra to get rid of all his problems. The guru said, "Everyone is suffering in their life. How big are your sufferings?" The man said, "I am the worst sufferer in this world." Guru said, "What do you want from me?" The man said, "I want a mantra by which I can get rid of all my sorrows." The Guru said, "It is not as easy as you think. To get the mantra, you have to do something. You have to work very hard. If I ask you to do something, will you do that? You have to do exactly as I tell you." The man said, "I am ready to do whatever you say." The Guru said that you go back to your home the same way you came here. But all the way you make sure you talk to yourself saying, "I am the happiest person in the world." The man said, "Okay, I will do as you say." The Guru said, "Wait, listen completely. When you say this, make sure you don't let the thought of a monkey enter your mind. Remember, if you think of a monkey in your mind, then everything will be ruined." The man said that, "I can do this work very easily." Saying this, man went to his house. As soon as he returned from the ashram, he started saying himself that he is the happiest person in the world. But in the meantime, the thought of a monkey also came in his mind. Whenever he told himself that he was the happiest person in the world, the thought of monkeys ran deep in his mind. On his way back home, he also found monkeys. He thought that these monkeys were not there while coming from home. But now where did all these monkeys come from? Thinking this, he finally reached his house and asked his wife to serve him food. While eating food, the thought of monkeys came to his mind. He thought that how monkeys come to his mind today when he had never thought so before. The man said to the Guru, "I do not understand what is happening to me. I could see monkeys all around. I had never thought of monkeys before. But why am I seeing them now? I have failed to get your mantra correctly." The Guru said, "You have already got the mantra, but you did not know how to use it." The man said, "I could not do as you said. But how will the mantra work now?" The Guru said, "Understand this mantra properly. Once you understand, it will surely work." The man said, "Please tell me the mantra. I am ready to understand." The Guru said, "While understanding, the thought of monkeys should not come in your mind." The man said, "I can see monkeys all around, and you are saying that I should not think about monkeys." The Guru said, "Our mind is our only mantra. The things that run deep in our mind will eventually reflect everywhere. When you first came here, you never thought of monkeys, even if you saw them while coming from home. Thoughts about monkeys would not have gone deep in your mind because you never thought before. Understand that the things you really want to be safe from go deep down in your mind." You wanted to protect from monkey. So the thought of monkeys went deep in your mind, and you could see monkeys all around. Where there were no monkeys in real, the monkeys were seen there too. So understand the mantra deeply. Whenever you feel that you are unhappy and have nothing, whatever amount you have, you feel low. And if you feel that you are happy and have enough money, whatever amount you have, you feel more. Even if you have some reasons to be sad, if you think that you are happy inside, then you can be really happy. One who is unhappy from within remains unhappy even though he has hundreds of reasons to be happy. And conversely, one who is happy from the depths of his heart remains happy even after having one meal a day. So whatever thoughts you keep in the depths of your mind are reflected outside. Now you must have understood how to get this mantra. The man said, "Now I understand that whatever we think, it goes deep into our mind. Although I was saying that I was the happiest person in the world, but the thoughts of monkeys remained in my mind. That's why monkeys were seen everywhere. I always wanted happiness, but in the depths of my mind, I used to think about sorrow. So this mantra did not work for me." The person left the ashram after paying obeisance to the Guru. Friends, in this regard, Buddha said that we create the world with our thoughts, but our thoughts can be both positive and negative. Many of us get attracted to negative thoughts, mostly ignoring the positive ones. So whenever we have any positive thoughts in our mind, we should try to catch them as soon as possible and keep working on it. Because it doesn't take much time to convert a positive thought into a negative one. Friends, do tell us your thoughts about this story in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.